Hello guys, welcome to my channel Urdu Talk. Today in this particular video we will learn the different shapes, variants or forms of letter waw, ठीक है, in Urdu alphabet. So letter waw is a vowel letter in Urdu alphabet, and it's have basically two shapes, not three like others, three different shapes. For example, B group letters or Jim group letters have three different shapes when we are connecting it with other letters, but wow have two shapes. One is initial, at the start of any word wow we can write in this form, while the other one, the second one, is the final wow, which final wow we can write in this way. At the end of any other letter we can attach wow at this shape, ठीक है, but middle wow we don't have letter wow between two letters we cannot use, so that's why it is cross here. It's mean nothing, yani we are not using wow at the middle. It's same like a leaf, okay, and separate we can also use it or isolate it. So it's same like a leaf letter. If you guys know the different variants or shapes of a leaf, so I will put the link in the description, you guys can watch the video. So it's same like a leaf. Now we will write some letters and will make a word where we will saw wow letter at initial, yani how we can use wow initially. So for example, I will write wow, then alif, then jim letter, and at the end I will write dal. These letters when we connect, when we join, we will get the word wajid. Wajid is just noun, name of person, wajid. So the word wajid is starting from waw letter, so I will write initial waw, T, and then alif I will write. Waw is not accepting any letter initially or when we use isolate, okay, while middle we don't have, only we can attach other letters with the final waw. If word waw come at the end of any word, then only we can attach final waw to other letters, but not the initial or the isolate, the separate one. Okay, so I will write a leaf separate, so it's become wa. Then alif is also not accepting any letter after it, same like wow, so we will write jim here separate, but jim I wrote the initial shape of jim, not this full shape. Why? Because I need to attach the other letter which is dal, so dal I can attach final because dal is the final letter of the word. So that the connector of dal, or we can say the head of dal, we attach with the tail of jim, while waw is initial and it is not touching any other letter, so this is initial, or we can also say isolate, but isolate we can consider when it's come at the end of any word. Okay, so this words become wajid here. Wow, you guys can see I use initial wow. This words is wajid, wajid. So here wow is initial. Then another example I will write wasip. Okay, so wow, then alif, then swad letter, and at the end we will write fe, this fa, wasif. So again I will write wow separate, alif separate, okay, or wow we can consider here initial because the word is starting from wow letter. In Alif we cannot connect with other letters, or other letters also we cannot connect with Alif, so Alif is separate like Waw. And now I will write initial Swat. Okay, the tail of Swat I will attach with the head of Fe. So here I will write Fe, the head of Pa connecting the tail of Swat at this point. So this words become Wasif. Wasif. So here Waw, as you guys can see, the word the word Wasif starting from Waw letter. So Waw we will write initial. Waw is initial here in this word. Then middle Waw we don't have, and we cannot use Waw between two letters, but final Waw we can use. So in the word Socho. Socho mean think. Socho. So a seen letter, then Waw, so, then again Che letter plus Waw, Cho, so Cho. So I will write initial seen, and here I will attach final Waw. Why final Waw? Look, the whole word is we will made from these four letters, but this Waw I am considering final, not the middle. Although it is looking the middle if we, for example, look to the letters, but because middle Waw we cannot use here, so this Waw will be final here. I attach final Waw. So this words becomes so. Initial seen and final Waw. Then with Waw I cannot attach other letters, because I use the final one. After the final we cannot use other letter, we cannot attach. So Che I will write separate, initial Che, and then again I will use final Waw here. So this is final Waw. So this words become Socho. Now the head of Waw is connecting with the tail of Che at this point. Similarly, the head of Waw is connecting with the tail of Seen at this point. So this word we will write Seen and Waw. So here is so, then a Che and Waw. We will connect it here. Cho. So Cho. So Cho mean to think. So we use here final Waw. Another example is Bolo. Say initial Ba, then final Waw. Bo. Then a initial Lam and final Waw. Lo. So these parts are basically this Waw, the circle one is final Waw. The head of Waw we are connecting with the tail of Ba at this point. Similarly, the tail of Lam we are connecting with the head of Waw at this point. So this words we will write Bo Lo. Bolo. Bolo mean yani speak, to speak. To speak is bolna, but bolo is speak, informal we can say. So then isolated Waw we can also use. So for example, the word is karo. Karo mean do. Kaf letter plus re letter plus Waw letter. If we connect these three letters, we will get the word karo. Karo. So I will use initial kaf, then we will use final ra. The head of ra have connector and the tail of kaf have connector. So we will connect it this point. Kar, and then Waw will be separate because ra is also same like wow, okay, which is not accepting any letter after it because we use final ra. So then this wow we will use it here, cow. So in this word kaf, re, and wow, kaf, re, and wow, here we use initial kaf, final ra, which is attached at this point, and wow is separate, or we can say detach, ठीक है, which is separate here, which is same like this wow. At the end of any word we can use it like this, or either it will be when we are connecting it with other words, then we can write it in this form. Okay, that's it guys. Please subscribe to the channel and like and share my videos. Thank you so much. I will see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.